Welcome to our 3-month data analyst roadmap. In this video, we'll be covering everything you need to know on how to become a data analyst in 3 months. We'll be discussing data analysis fundamentals, SQL, database management, Excel, Python, machine learning generally, data visualization, and communication. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of what it takes to become a data analyst and the steps you need to take in order to achieve your goals. To start off, let's talk about just some basic data analysis fundamentals, and these are in relation to the types of data that you're going to be working with. Understanding data types and data structures is crucial for any data analyst, and you need to know the difference between categorical and numerical data, as well as different types of data structures such as lists, sets, and dictionaries, as they will be helpful whenever it comes to performing some operations with regards to data, whether that's data cleaning. You might be able to retrieve some set of data, maybe column names, and put them into a certain data structure, then clean them, then put them back again to a table. And it's important to have an understanding of those data structures. On the other hand, you also need to learn about data cleaning and preparation, and considering that this is one of the most important aspects of data analysis, you would need to be able to take raw data, say from databases, and know how to make it relevant in order to be able to answer research problems that you might be working on. And this process of data analysis could involve removing duplicate data, filling in missing data, and formatting the data correctly. Next, you'll also need to have an understanding of basic statistical concepts. Could be mean, median, mode, as well as concepts like correlation and regression, which will also be some of the tools that you're going to be using whenever it comes to working on some certain types of research problems that possibly would involve predictive aspects. Finally, you also need to understand how to create data visualizations, and you need to have an understanding of tools that are essential for communication with regards to presentations, and it could be the use of Excel, or even the use of data visualization tools such as Power BI or Tableau. Now let's talk about SQL and database management. SQL is the primary language used for working with databases. You need to know how to write SQL queries to extract data from a database and manipulate it as needed. And advanced SQL techniques for data analysis such as subqueries and joins can also come in very handy when it comes to extracting some specific subset of data that you need. So being able to extract data from multiple tables and combine it in meaningful ways is essential for data analysts. Excel is also a widely used tool for data analysis, and it's important to have a good understanding of how to use it. Basic Excel skills such as working with formulas and functions are essential, but you should also learn a bit more of advanced features such as pivot tables as well as charts. And these tools will be great for summarizing and visualizing data sets that may not be that large. Python is another powerful tool for data analysis, and it's becoming increasingly popular in the industry. It has several libraries, which are just a collection of code that have been packaged to perform some specific tasks. And these libraries include Pandas, which is one that is normally used for data manipulation, NumPy for scientific computations, and Matplotlib for data visualization with regards to Python. So it's important to learn the basics of these libraries, as well as work with data structures in order to perform data manipulation. Furthermore, still using Python, you can be able to use Python to be able to perform machine learning, create machine learning models. And machine learning is a rapidly growing field in data analysis. that will require that you have an understanding of the basics of supervised and unsupervised learning. Finally, I'm talking about communication. You should be able to present data in a clear and meaningful way. And it's essential for every data analyst, considering that most of the cases data analysts would be expected to present their findings to business stakeholders who would assess whether the solutions that have been uncovered or recommendations that are being given actually do make sense for business. So it's important to be able to learn how to do that. And more specifically, learning how to create dashboards and reports. It can be a challenging, initially a task to learn those tools, but it's part of the data analyst role. So just giving it time to be able to learn tools like Tableau and Power BI can help you in this process of communication. So there you have it, a 3-month data analyst roadmap. We've covered actually everything that you would need in many data analyst roles in many markets. SQL, database management, Excel, Python, machine learning, data visualization, as well as communication. I hope you had a clear understanding of what it takes to become a data analyst. And yes, it's time to put this knowledge into practice. Just note that the key to success is ongoing learning and development. I do recommend just reading more articles, watching more YouTube videos or tutorials, and even participating in online forums or conversations where you would need to just think about or provide solutions to just basic data analysis problems. Good luck in your journey of becoming a data analyst. If you loved this video, if you did learn something from this video, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you in the next video.